Thanks for joining me today. I'm your host Darcy, and today we're taking a look at another new feature added in iOS 16, iPadOS 16, and macOS Ventura. Apple have enhanced the Photos app once again with iCloud Shared Photo Library. You may already be familiar with shared albums, where you and others can add photos to a shared location. Sharing a library goes one step further by allowing users to share their entire library, share photos between certain dates, manually share, and even automatic sharing when together. When I first heard about this feature, I thought, geez, I hope I don't accidentally share something I don't want to. Don't worry, with this video, you'll understand how it works and feel confident using it. Let me quickly give you a visual on how this feature works. Everyone has their own photos library. It's full of every photo you take, screenshot, or video. But there are some people you want to share photos with, like when you're on holiday, or even just a day at the park. iCloud Shared Photo Library is a second library, separate from your personal one, that is shared by another person. In the Photos app, you can view these libraries together or individually. So when I add a photo to the shared library, it won't appear in my personal library anymore. Otherwise, there'd be a duplicate photo when viewing the libraries together. In that shared library, anyone can edit or delete a photo. And because it's using iCloud, the person who created the shared library is the one whose iCloud storage will be used to store all of the content. The feature is available through the Photos app on Mac, iPad, and at iCloud.com. Today we'll be showcasing the feature on iPhone.
That's just a quick preview of one of this week's Apple-related tutorials from Screencasts Online. Screencasts Online is your premium source of Apple-related video tutorials. All of our members get access to brand new, up-to-date tutorials each week, as well as unlimited access to our entire video archive full of Mac and iOS-related tutorials. You can stream and download all of our videos on your Mac, iPad and iPhone, and even your Apple TV using the members-only Screencasts Online Apple TV app. Membership also includes a complimentary subscription to the digital Screencasts Online monthly magazine, published each month and packed with videos, articles, reviews, as well as hints and tips covering all aspects of the Mac, iPad, iPhone, and all of the other fantastic Apple products. So, if you're ready to start getting the most out of your Apple devices, visit screencastsonline.com today and become a Screencasts Online member.